Hi there guys, welcome to Vapourcore's YouTube channel. I'm the LDN Vapor and today I can't wait to show you this review. This is the new technology designed by Busardo, Vaping Greek, i.e. Dimitris, Agrafiotis, and them collaborating with Innokin to provide us with some new audible technology. The brand new Innokin Z-BIIP. Just before we get down into the review, let me take a vape and just show you how it vapes. So, straight away, hygiene cap off, and now let's take a vape. Absolutely potent flavor, and what a lovely mouthpiece. So guys, let's get down into the Z-BIIP and what it's all about. So guys, starting from the top, of course, you've got a lovely hygiene cap. I absolutely love that from Innokin. Thank you very much guys, because as we do know, when we throw these devices around, you can get a lot of debris in the mouthpieces and it can go to ruining your coil. So guys, thanks very much for that. Let's start with the top of the device guys. So, it's a pod/tank system, and the only reason I'm saying this is, I'll just show you now. So, grab the side, push it, just like so, and it unclips, and then you can pull it out. So, straight away guys, it's a 2mm pod/tank. The coils in this are actually interchangeable. So, they use the full Z series of coils, i.e. the Zenith coils. The mouthpiece is actually where you fill the device. How do you do this? Guys, simply grab the mouthpiece, there we go, and it does round robin, so you can keep twisting it round and round, but it either clicks round, or if you want, you can lift it slightly up and then untwist. Right there is your fill hole, covered by this silicone sleeve here, for child safety and anti-leaking. Today we are using Ombrew's Spearmint. So simply you'd put your nib in there, press it down and keep filling. It's a 2mm capacity, with the bottom base actually being also an airflow ring on both sides. So this is an adjustable pod system. The great thing about this is you don't have to keep buying the coils with the plastic like other pod systems. This system, you can actually interchange the coils. So, put your pod upside down, grab your base, anti-clockwise unscrew, and just like so, the base will come off, like the predecessors of the T18E, the T20S tanks. Now, simply grab the bottom of your coil, and if you don't have the pod filled up too much and it's underneath the middle ridge section of this pod, the e-liquid will stay in there and it won't drain the whole tank. So of course, just pop that coil out guys, and then you can pop your brand new one in. Of course, this has been pre-filled before and we've let it sit in there for 5 minutes before vaping. Screw it tightly. I'm adjusting the airflow to a fully wide airflow, showing 3 holes on either side. And guys, let's hear the magic now. So this is where the new technology comes in. Place the pod in and simply click it back into place. Did you hear that guys? So there we go. There's the beep to let you know that your coil and pod are working perfectly, and once inserted into the battery, there is no connection issues and it will work. So, now coming down to the battery guys itself, it is a 1500 milliamp built-in battery. It looks absolutely beautiful. This device here is the Bronze June version, which actually it's bronze, but depending on what side the light hits it, you can get a bit of orange and purple inside the color too. Honestly, it looks amazing. 1, 2, 3 clicks, it turns the device off. Now guys, this has a wattage mode. So it goes from 11 watts being a blue color, then 14 watts being a green color, and then 16 watts indicating a red color. So, now that the device is off, what you want to do is simply hold the fire button down, and you'll see the indicator in the middle here go from blue, green and red, and it will keep cycling. So guys, when you're ready, and for this review, I'm just gonna go on the lowest power of blue. So blue, and simply I let go. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. I'm ready to vape. Guys, let's get down to the beeps. So, 1 beep when the pod and the coil are inserted and they are working perfectly. So once you put it into the battery, it will beep once, indicating that you're ready to vape and everything's right. Now, you'll hear 2 beeps when the battery goes under 50%. And then you'll hear 3 beeps when it's under 20% and it needs a recharge. Also, when you put the device on charge with the micro USB being at the back of the device, guys, what will happen is the bars on the battery indicator here will keep lighting up from bottom to top and keep cycling. Once the device is fully charged, the lights will go off and you'll hear 5 quick beeps. And guys, that is all for the noise, or let's say the audible function on the device. Of course, Phil and Dimitris, they've made this for the older vapors out there that of course can't see that great and prefer a sound than actually having to look at the device every time. Which, guys, that is a lovely feature. Also, what we've done is we've included their channels at the bottom of the description just so you can see who the guys are, because they are the top men in our industry and they are innovating and changing it every couple of months. So guys, thank you very much for collaborating with Innokin and bringing us these great devices. Now guys, of course we've shown you a picture of what comes with the kit. Now we've had the pre-installed 0.48 ohm Plex 3D coil, which is supposed to boost the power a bit more and the flavor, and it's absolutely working perfectly. I absolutely love the flavor in this device, and especially that mouthpiece feel when you're dragging on it. So that being said, it does come with a 1.6 ohm normal canthal. It suits you better if you are that mouth to lung vapor. The things that I really love about this device, I absolutely love that it's a top filling system where you simply turn the mouthpiece and you get that fill port. That leads me on to the second pro. I absolutely love that I'm not having to waste my money on pods, and once the coil goes, I don't need to buy the plastic and the coil. Then on to the third pro. I mean, the design of this, guys, it's beautiful. The way it sparkles, the way the color changes. I mean, we were at Vape Jam the other week, and of course I was speaking with Tayo, one of the reps for Innokin, and he was telling me as the color changing devices, of course, are limited to 200 to 300 units per time they do a production run. So they are made to order, unfortunately. But of course you've got the normal colors of your blacks, your whites, and all the rest of it, which you can go ahead onto our website and take a look. Honestly, I cannot fault this device. I don't have any cons with it at the minute. If we do, of course, we'll be uploading another video. But that is it for the Z-BIIP from Innokin. Guys, come into our stores and try one out. Please like, share the video if you think it was beneficial, and if you want to see the latest from us, please subscribe to the channel now. Thanks guys.